Hello everyone, today we are going to do research on Agentic AI. What is Agentic AI? How it works? To how to use the Agentic to build it. How all this evolved, like what is the history of it. So we are going to try go depth of it and let's see what we can do. So let's go first and what is Agentic AI? I'll just share my screen and just see what we can do. How we research basically. This is not just about research. What we see as a internet, we all see internet is there always seeing we use chat GPT, agentic. So what is agentic AI? Okay, there is first. So you can see agentic AI refer to autonomous artificial intelligence system designed to achieve complex multi-stage goal with limited supervision. Moving beyond passive output to achieve problem uses like software API to make decision and take action, acting rather than just providing information. This is a key characteristic capability of agentic include autonomy, goal-oriented action, reasoning, planning, adaptability, multi-agent system, agentic AI. So these are the terms like autonomy is the operate independently to achieve specific high-level objective rather than require prompt by prompt guidance. So goal-oriented action rather than just generate text, they take actions such as just searching, comparing, booking flight, managing supply chain, researching and planning. They break one complex task into smaller steps, planning their action to solve problems. Adaptability. They can adapt to new information or changing environment while working toward the target. Multi-agent system. Often multiple agents are orchestrated to work together on single complex task. Difference from traditional AI. A traditional Gen AI responds to user query, providing information summaries or content. Agent AI translate knowledge into action, completing the entire workflow application. The customer service agent can analyze issue, check customer data, and resolve complaints independently. A business operation, managing inventory, optimal logistics. So you can see Google is done on blog in this COVID. What is Agentic AI? Agentic AI is advanced from artificial intelligence focus on autonomous decision making and action. Unlike traditional AI, which primarily responds to command or analysis data, Agentic AI can set a goal, plan, execute tasks with a minimum human intervention. This emerging technology has the potential to revolution various industry by automating complex processes and optimize workflow. Key concept of Agentic AI. Agentic AI systems are designed to operate with higher degree of autonomy. It works by using AI agents which are is essentially autonomous entities designed to perform specific tasks. At its core, this technology is built on several key components. One is perception. Agentic AI starts by gathering information from surrounding and different sources such as a sensor, database, user interface. This could involve analyzing text, image, or other forms of data to understand the situation. Reasoning. Using large language model, agentic AI analyze gather data to understand the context, identify relevant information, formulate potential situation. For example, if goal is to schedule meeting, the LLM can pass text of email to identify attendance, available times, and meeting purpose. So planning. The AI then uses information gather, develop a plan. This involves setting goals, breaking them down into smaller steps, and figuring out the best way to achieve them. Action. Based on the plan, the AI takes action. Based on the plan, AI takes action. This could be involve performing tasks, making decision, or interacting with other systems. Reflection. After taking action, the AI learns from result. It evaluates whether its action were successful and uses this feedback to adjust an action in future. This continuous cycle of perception, planning, action, reflection allow agentic AI to learn and improve over time. Cortex AI provide comprehensive suite of tools for building deploy AI models, including pre-trained API for common tasks, custom training option for advanced use cases. AI also offers MLOps tools to manage the entire machine learning lifecycle from data presentation to model monitoring. This is crucial for ongoing development and improvement of agentic AI system. Let's see what is there, what is there. Not faster with voice 200 per million. Okay, please. The custom model, let's see. Oh, fine. So agentic AI versus generative AI. While both agentic AI and generative are form of artificial intelligence that can be used together, they have distinct personality. Generative AI. As the name suggests, is focus on creation of new content such as text, image, code, or music based on input prompts. The LLM is the heart of generative AI, and value is generated by what the model can be do and simple extension of LLM capability. For example, you can generate or edit content and even perform simple function puts calling the chain together in very option. Agentic AI is subset of Agentic AI is a subset of generative AI that centered around the orchestration and execution of agentic agents that uses LLM as a brain to perform action through tools. Agentic AI goes beyond content creation and function, following by executing action in underlying system to achieve a higher level of goal. For example, generative AI could be used to create marketing material, while agentic AI could be then used to deploy this material, track the performance, automatically adjust marketing strategy based on the result. The way agentic AI can use generative AI as a tool to achieve its goal. Agentic AI versus AI agents. Well, the term agentic AI and AI agents are often used together. There is a subtle difference. AI agent are building block of agentic AI. Think of AI agent or individual tools in a toolbox, while agentic AI is the coordinator used those tools to build an entire house. Well, an AI agent might focus on specific tasks. Agentic AI employ multiple agents to handle complex software. Agentic AI act as an overarching system that coordinate and manage the system to achieve broader objective. Example of agentic AI automation. Agentic AI is applied across various industries to automate tasks and optimize processes. Here's a few examples. Customer service. Agentic AI can be empowered human agent to take more complex problem by managing customer queries, resolving issue, and delivering personal support. Supply chain management. By analyzing data from diverse sources like sales, inventory, shipping, agentic AI can optimize supply chain, predict demand, and automate logistics. Healthcare. Doctor and researcher can use agentic AI to help with diagnosis, treatment planning, and drug discovery by analyzing medical record, research, paper, and clinical trial. Financial services. Agentic AI can be help automate fraud detection, risk assessment, and investment strategy by analyzing market data, customer behavior, and financial statement. Software development. By automating code generation, debugging, and testing, agentic AI can help accelerate the development cycle and improve code quality. Agentic AI consideration and best practices. Implementing agentic AI is a business require careful consideration. There are some key factors to keep in mind. Clear objective. Identify specific problem that AI agent will solve and how they will align with business goal. Data quality and presentation. Preparation. Agentic AI system rely on high quality data to make accurate decisions. Business need to ensure that data is accurate, complete, up to date, and properly formatted and integrated for AI consumption. Ethical implication. It's important to consider ethical communication of using agentic AI and using them responsibility as it can make decisions that have significant impact on people's life. This can include addressing potential bias in data algorithms that could lead unfair or discriminatory demographical group. Additionally, business need to be transparent about how agent AI is being used and ensure that human oversight in place to prevent unintended consequences. Agentic AI system may be vul- vulnerable or to cyber attack. Businesses need to implement reverse security measure to protect this system data they use. This includes protecting against data breaches, unauthorized access, malicious attack that could compromise the integrity or density of AI system. Explainability. Explainability. Understanding how an agentic AI system makes decisions is important. Especially when something goes wrong, business should invest in systems that can provide insight into decision making process. Techniques like SHAP, supply additional explanation, or a local interpreter, model ownership can help make AI edition more transparent and understandable. This not only help build trust but also allow better debugging and improvement of AI system. Integration. Agentic AI system need to be integrated with existing business system, which can be a complex process requiring careful planning and coordination. This include ensuring capability with existing IT infrastructure, data format, and business process. It can also involve addressing potential challenges related to data migration, system migration, integration, and user adoption. Monitoring and evaluation. Continuously monitor AI agent performance, address issue, refine algorithm as needed. Business should carefully evaluate the needs and resources before implementing agentic AI. They should also be prepared to invest in necessary infrastructure, expertise, and training to ensure successful adoption of technology. Google Cloud and Agentic AI. There are a variety of Google Cloud products services that can be used to incorporate Agentic AI. Vertex AI, Agent AI Builder is there, Agent Development Kit is there, Gemini Interface is there. Okay. So right now our task is to go and search what are the tools are already available. Then we can use proprietary. Let's see. So all isn't any English map. All possible presenting AI tool. Yes. So right now I'm just giving task to the AI agent. So you can see there is tools coming. Crew AI, Autogen, Microsoft, Long Graph, OpenAI, SWAM platform, no code, low code, tools for integration, Microsoft Copilot Studio, Zapier, Google, UiPath. So these are some tools are available already. So let's see one by one we can go and create AI. How it works? Let's go one by one and see one by one. Create AI. So just we can and see. I don't want to directly on website English. Let's see what are the interface pricing is good. So what are the pricing? That's important. There is a free build agentic workflow today. Let's see what possible with collaborative agent. Oh my god, this is that. They have free one, we try later. Control goes to just research not development. Okay. The open source multi-agent should demo. Okay. Presently installed. Okay. You can try installing. Yeah. Let's see. Uh, just go and see documentation. Okay. Crew AI documentation will collaborate agent in production. Ship multi-agent system with confidence. Design agent. We started introduction. Let's see only introduction. What is Crew AI? Crew AI is the leading open source framework for automation, autonomous AI agent and building complex workflow. It empowers developers to build a production-ready multi-agent system by combining collaboration intelligence of Crew AI with a precise control of flow. Crew AI flow. The backbone of Crew AI application flow allows you to create structured event-driven workflow that manage creates control execution. They provide scaffolding of AI agent to work within. Crew AI cross. The unit of work within your flow, you are a team of autonomous agents that collaborate to solve specific tasks, delegates to them by flow. With over 1 lakh developers certified for community courses, Crib AI is standard for enterprise-ready AI automation. Who is building Crib AI automation flow? If you can most reviews, it is growing. This is one issue I was between was where in the noise. It's done. Okay. Clear the ship flow, the backbone. This backbone code three. States management. Process data across step and execution, event-driven execution. Trigger action based on the event direction and control flow. Use conditional logic, loop branching, through the intelligent. Previous team that do heavy lifting within the flow, you can trigger crew take off complex flow and improve the crew provides role-playing agent, specializing agent with specific goal and tool. Autonomous collaboration, agentic work together to solve task delegation. The tasks are assigned and executed based on the agent availability. How it all works, whether the flow trigger an event or start a process, a float manages state and decide what to do next. The flow delegate a complex task to crew. The crew agent collaborate to complex tasks. The crew return to the result to flow. The flow continuous execution based on the result. Key feature production, current flow, autonomous crew, flexible tool, interface security. When to use crew versus flow? The answer is use both. For any production ready application, start with flow. Use a flow to define overall structure, state, logic of your application. is a query within the flow state when you need a team of agents to perform specific complex tasks that require autonomy. Use complex use cases, simple automation, single flow with Python tasks. Complex usage, flow managing state queue perform research. Application backend, flow handling API request, queue generating context, flow serving to delivery. What choose Crave AI? Autonomous operation agentic make intelligent decisions based on their roles and available tools. Natural interaction, agentic communication and collaboration like human team member. Extensible design. Easy to add new tool role capability. Production ready. Build for reliability and scalability in real world application. Security focus. Design with enterprise security requirement in mind. Cost efficiency. Optimize to minimize token usage of API calls. Ready to start building? Start your first flow. Learn how to create structure event-driven workflow with precise control. So build your first script step by step. Solve quick. So these are the skills also available in Score here. You AI documentation, you just get all those things. Then just go through this tutorial and you get to know how to do it. Take it to your own specific start. So like this, you can just do, you can just not go direct on GitHub. You can see GitHub also they have allocate. I think this is designing Python. You can see under the PR. This is like Python because they have to clear files and documentation also there. It's fun. Let's go to another tool which is there. So right now we learn about AI, what is agentic AI, all those things, and right now we are going to another tool to understand how these are working. After a few hours, after a few days, we will go through it, how it works, all those things, to understand in-depth understanding. So right now our focus is to just understand what is there, what exists there. So that would be great for to do our research. Let's see what we can do. Let's see. I'm sitting again screen. I want to go to see another called is developed by Microsoft. Let's see about the history of Crewware. That will be good for us. We've not seen history, how they develop, what is the history of them. That will be good for us. So this is the thumbnail I made right now. Just I use most of the time ChatGPT for history. This is what you know, how to use in our works well. So Crewware history sample. We started 3 years back only. Oh my god. What exactly? We go through the founder also. That's started in 2003. First release on November 2003. Built on Python based open source platform. Agentic AI problem solved. Early adoption. 13 AI works like this. Official launch cover officially January. There is a funding 18 million funding is raised one is used by enterprise Fortune companies, team milestone, Intel million executive architecture evolved, companies adoption, companies started in how this company short in 3 years. Get revenue right now. Started open source this biggest reason. Release on GitHub, free of public agent train, enterprise will not push. It's important they don't chase customer. The customer can then big companies like Oracle, IBM, PwC started using it. Small team only 50 national uses it 40 government revenue they okay. It's roughly 20 fundings crore or what QL funding. Gold Start venture led by early. So how this research go yaar? We are going from the starting of agentic AI, then we came the move given funding for them. This is how we work. I think I research like this. It's good or not, I mean, for sure. But yeah, this is what my way. So you can see what they've written. Gold start conclusion. What is this again? This website is very unique. You can see the domain itself easy only. But we invest in bold technical founder building the autonomous enterprise. Okay. They invest in AI, followed AI, Live, Protect AI, Tessel, Grisher, Bias, Cycle, Gridline, Volplix, Hypernative, Zuplo, SteadyBit, DR Opticus, Upperstream, Satellite, Livelock, StakeWise, Common Paper, Cloud Query. Common Paper. This name is very unique. Huh? Common Paper, build, negotiate, and sign contract in minute. Build, negotiate, sign contract in minute. This is good tool for those common paper. This is good. They have free zero rupees startup, $50 per month, growth $100 per month, to sales customer. Okay, this is the pricing. But agreement send per month, two user, three or standard agreement, integrated six user agreement. Three, these are the tools. They have blogging also, playbook, scaling negotiation. That looks common, I guess. Who is the founder of Cloud Pro? Yeah. This proof of his history also. His history important. Exit courage to start this. Joe is founder of CEO of Privia, one of the fastest growing startup in agentic AI space based on originally Brazil engineer experience. His journey started engineer, AI engineer, problem idea. He started did not start company, build a startup. He started because a roommate his own work, build a small AI agent for content creation, personal productivity, pay site. AI should act not chatbot, but to message and routines, not single AI, multiple agent working together. built from real resources, a strength, deep engineering plus product thinking, strong AI. This Europe is leading in we studied in Europe, so I'm already following that. He's right now founder of CEO of 2 year, 2 years and clear a bit from 4 years. And he was already become a director of AI engineering. 4 years. Senior engineer management, engineer manager, also build up or talk. It's not. He was engineer manager, lead manager, senior software engineer, CEO of co-founder of Q. How many companies he built? Yeah? Like one is biotech company he was teaching assistant, then software engineer, lead engineer, CTO, he was CTO of this company, he is CEO of co-founder of Global. This ended like founder of Rotok. Still website is there. Device planning. So I think they don't have even I guess. You see though, this not true for the things. People are not involved right now. City town. Killer intelligent cave master of something close related to you see how much history is there. The person worked in industry 15 years again to do something like no he got successful and this is not he was not lucky he was but he did his own way of work. That is reason I feel he is a good person. So nothing was luck here. He worked 15-20 years on this continuously built some multiple products related to AI or this thing and that. So the person started it. Let me they have a team of 56 people. That's a good thing. What is the skill they have is artificial intelligence, distribution team management, remote team management, process improvement, team management, review and build, Ruby, Git, Elixir, what is this app? Elixir is functional concurrent programming language designed for building scalable and maintaining applications. Elixir is dynamic functional language for building scalable and maintaining applications. Alex run on their airline VPN for creating low latency distribution for global system. Companies Elixir production. They talk about scalability to the fault tolerance, useful programming, tailor that to get started, introduction, installation, interactive mode, next page, basic type, integer float, test list, basic arithmetic, defaults, list tuple, linked list tuple, tuple, list tuple, pattern matching. This looks like same movie like older languages. This sound index. Yes. Maybe we are going to take class on this. Okay. Let me just run this. But yeah, how it looks. This is a common. This is the common. IAX. Let's see. This we have models functionalities also. Scripting or scripting functionalization. Default document. Allies require important tools. Modular throughput. Information. Struct. Define struct. Recursion. Enumerable string. Comparison. Generation filter. Other option. Protocol. Example. Protocol instructor. Protocol step. Integer. Signal. Catch. Signal. Table expression. String. Calendar string. How much is there, Ash? This is there. Okay, we have to go through it. Just we have one video on this also. I guess we'll create on this elixir. Okay. Let's see. Just okay, let's see in the open source Scrum, JavaScript, leadership management, data science, technical, still Mac OS X. What is this? I heard Mac OS, but what is Mac OS X? Mac versus Mac OS X. Very good. Okay, nothing I'm getting clarity. It's like Mac OS HTML servers, web servers, CSS, frontend, team starter, Node.js, agile methodology, software, people management, business, Python, data analytics. So they know also basic knowledge. These are important. I just nothing big thing, but yeah, skill can be learned, but how we have this experience in that skill is important more than what we can do. Okay. So it's not great, but yeah, we need to go from there to what is good. We are into complexity. Hydrogen, hydrogen open source framework from Microsoft Research that enable developers to build applications using multiple conditional agents that can collaborate or work autonomously to solve tasks. You don't have a separate website, it's on problem. Okay. It's part of Microsoft Dynamics. It goes there. Hydrogen, a framework for building AI agents and applications. And web-based UI prototyping with agent without writing code build on agent chart. So just where to write this, get started. A programming framework for building a conversation single multi-agent application. Build on code required Python 3.10 plus. Core AI driven instantiation. Agentic chart. Agent chart is high level API for building multi-agent application. It built on top of Hydrogen core package for building beginner user. Agent chat is recommended starting point for advanced user. Hydrogen core event-driven programming model provide more flexibility and control over underlying component. Agent chart provide intuitive defaults such as agents with present behavior and teams with predefined multi-agent design pattern. Installation, how to install agent like Gitlan custom. Okay, these are there. Installation create virtual environment. Okay, doing Python only. Okay, installation quick. Install OpenAI for model equivalent. Agentic AI start via agent star chart. You can build application quickly using present agent. We used to we'll begin with creating single agent chart can use tools. First, we need to install agentic chat and essential package. Pip install agentic. This one. These are the steps. You can just go migration guide for 0.2 to 0.4. The guidance on this. Assistant agent, drag agent, connection agent. It will provide a step-by-step guide by using agentic chart. Make sure you have first followed installation functional. Okay, next models. Model in many cases agentic need access to LLM model services such as OpenAI, Azure OpenAI or local model. Since there are many different providers with different API or Trojan core, implement a protocol for model client to implement a set of model client for popular model services. Agentic chat can be used this model for client to interact with model services. This section provide a quick overview of available model client. Okay, log model clause, OpenAI, Azure OpenAI, Azure AI Foundry, Oloma. You can just do, this is I think local Oloma. Gemini also there. Llama API recommended. Semantic kernel adapter. Messages. And Atogen agentic chart message facilitate communication information exchange with other agents orchestration. What is orchestration? Yes. Let's see what is this. Orchestrator is system that person or tool that can coordinate complex tasks to achieve specific outcome. including IT or coordinate UiPath, which manages lifecycle music, AI. Key benefit of orchestration efficiency, automatic, repetitive, manual workflow, so team can focus on strategic work, resilience, detect failure attempt, trigger recovery, observability, provide central dashboard to monitor. So just I'm going to mobile. What is there running on the camera also? So this is what efficiency of resilience, observability is important. Yeah, it's looking good here. Infrastructure, expertise, and so key benefit we understood one is efficiency, resilience, observability, standardization. So what is efficiency? Automate repeated manual workflow. Team can focus on strategic work. Resilience is detect for failure automatically and trigger recovery process. Observability provides central dashboard to monitor the health and progress of every task in real time. Standardization ensure tasks are performed consistently across the different environment or team. So this is what the but yeah, type of message agentic agent agent message. Agent chat support many message type for agent to agent communication. They belong to subclass of base class, base chat message. Conflict subclasses cover basic text, multi-modal communication such as text message and multi-modal message. For example, the following code snippet demonstrate how to create text message with accept string content. Okay, solid here, internal event, custom type, agents are there, agent content, agent Atogen chart provides set of agents, each of with variations in how an agent might respond to messages. All agents share following attribute and method name description run. Assistant agent. Assistant agent is a built-in agent that uses language model and has ability to use low code. This is the code. You can see it getting started. Multi-model input. Using tools and workbench is there. Okay. Build tool workbook based functions. Additional tool. Smart model context protocol. Okay. Agent as a tool. Parallel call. Structure output. Streaming token. Using model context. Teams. In section, you will learn how to create multi-agent team. A simple team using Hydrogen. A team is a group of agents that work together to achieve common goal. We first show how you create and run team. We will then explain how to observe the team behavior, which is crucial for developing and understand the team's performance and common operation to control team behavior. Agentic chat supports several team. Route Robin group chat, a team that runs group chat with particular technique and runs round or open passion code on their page. Selector group chat, a team that select the next speaker using chat combination model after each message. Magnetic one group chat, a generalist multi-agent system for solving open-ended web and file-based tasks across variety of domain. Swarm, a team that uses end-of message to signal when should we use team are for complex tasks that require collaboration and levers. Switch. However, they also demand more scaffolding to steer compared to what is scaffolding here? This one tool also scaffolding. What is this? Few temporary structure typically made of metal to I was saying this scaffolding. what is they are saying in this term I don't know, but yeah. So street compared to single agent while heterogen simplify process of working with team start with agent, creating team, running the team, other in the team. You can create team here also. This is the good. Resuming a team, uploading a team, human in loop. We need to keep human in the loop in order to control agents. Yeah, what they are doing. In previous section team, we have seen how to create, observe, control a team of agents. This section will focus on how to interact with the team from action, provide human feedback to team. There are two main ways to interact with the team from the application. During the team run, execution of the run stream provide feedback through the Visual Foxy agent. One of the run terminal to provide feedback through input to next call to run stream. We will cover both method in this section. To jump straight to codes, sample on action, wave and event, see agentic chart, pass API, change simulate, provide feedback during the run. Okay. Right at the next turn. Yeah, it's possible to give feedback, but it is okay. Combination previous section we explored how to define agent and organize them into teams that can solve a task. However, the run can go forever and in many cases we need to know when to stop them. This is the role termination condition. Agent start supports several termination conditions by providing best termination condition. Class several implementation. Okay. Oh, that's a good. You can put terminal also. That's a good thing. Managing state, saving the agent, saving and loading teams, position state, file, okay, advanced concept are there, custom agent, select a group, SRAM, graph flow, memory, drag, logging. What is the full form of drag? Let's see. Retrieve augmented generation is an AI framework for database before generating a response. It reduces illustration to ensure accuracy by rounding and setting up-to-date data without requiring costly data input. So we learn two concepts. One is agent charge, hydrogen, crew AI, role-based collaboration, rapid prototype, multi-agent operation, error handling. So we need to go on line graph. These are the framework we need to work with. So okay, to our left, we will go one by one. Task will be, I think we will go this two tools. So just let's go hydrogen history. And I to history already know now everybody. Microsoft history already know. You can see common notice. Both are built in 2003 only. Hydrogen was introduced Microsoft, specifically Microsoft Research in 2013. Single AI prompt, multi-AI idea instead of one core concept. This built it in 3 years only, like 3 years. Okay. So let's just for time pass. Let's see what is Microsoft history. It started in 1975. Bill Gates and Paul started with simple idea, communicated with everyone. total wear events after we forward. Big I break in the stores. IBM, Windows era, 1995 2000, Monopoly, legal bottle, Microsoft become too powerful, okay, slow innovation, first, after success of Microsoft, no problem, massive resolution, comeback of Satya Nadella era, new CEO Satya Nadella, he changed everything, key strategy, cloud first, AI first, major moves, build on Azure, bought LinkedIn, GitHub, partnered with OpenAI, culture shift, Microsoft today, one of the top three companies in the world, market value trillion, cloud, Copilot, Cloud Azure, AI, licensing, timing, honest, total 51 year of Microsoft Research. What Microsoft Research? Founded in 1991, global presence, Microsoft Research India. It operate like certain governments. What they work on, MSR work on deep artificial intelligence, import revision, not focus on immediate profit, focus on long-term innovation, rights matter, business research program innovation. Okay, good. Means we started research after 15 hours. Very important and so don't miss this. Product building, advanced window, internet structure, formulation, position, sir. Good, good. Got it. What about agent chart? Hydrogen was started in 2013, could started using hydrogen ecosystem launching to innovation Python API. Okay, good. Oh, good. Let's go to another tool we understood. Right now we understood. Right now we have real based collaboration that we type. Hydrogen we understood multi-agent collaboration here. Built by both are built in 2003. So we got basic idea how these companies are built, how they are building, what is multi-agent, how the team based they work. This is our okay. Let's go on to the another topic called long graph. Now, so this is where we are going to stand out. What is this? So let's go and research another tool, another framework which is there in the market. So last two tools we'll learn today and then we'll come back one by one to later on. So this is the tool line graph. So we are understood. Take another window. This is good idea. New graph. LangChain framework for building LLM application via linear chain. See, there is a website which lot of this is a website I guess LangChain. Balance agent control with agency of building. This is pricing this is developer zero ship per month. Then go as you go. Up to 5K base tests move on pay as you go. Pressing to dework online and offline work. 39%. False. What are they have? What is this? Show me this. Okay. Customer engineer, education engineer, engagement manager, GTM engineer. What is this GTM, man? Technical special build, automate, maintain, revenue, go to market engineer. Yeah. Technical, solution architect. Most say solution architect they need explain person on it. Hmm? One year, no so $170. That been good money. Deployed engineer, deployed engineer, director, deployed engineer, central developer productivity, full stack software engineer, JavaScript engineer, open source team, Python OSS engineer, senior backend engineer, senior backend software engineer, observability evolve, senior front-end engineer, AI observability evolve, senior full stack engineer, AI observability evolve platform, senior full stack engineer, growth and options, senior engineer, software manager, software marketing, field marketing like senior event experience, marketing, product marketing, vision infrastructure, partner alliance lead, head of tech recruiting, people partner, people program, people award, recruiting coordinator, senior GTM, recruiter, product manager, account executive, commercial account executive, commercial account manager, enterprise account executive, enterprise account executive, enterprise account executive, general, NIC, I think you are only. Enterprise account executive, enterprise account sales development manager, sales development representative, team strategy. Oh yeah, what is this company? They're reading about this company. Spa. All recruited opinion. What ETS should be on this phone? Customers. Snowflake, Cursor, Shopify, Linear, Vanta, Calculus and Search, Coda, Daisy, Full Story, Docker, Notion, Vanta. Very good web also there, huh? That's good. Yeah, I do. Yeah. Global rate revenue, customer support, product support engineer, product support specialist, what else? Designing itself. So let's come on the point again. So products, what are the products they have? Let's see. Sequence headline. The agent individual platform seek great agent faster with LangChain. LangChain is an individual platform. let's start building. Good, and learn first. Okay. Langchain Academy is there. We just go there also. Level of your Langchain document is important more than videos. Longchain is a platform vision engineering. AI team at Clearly, Refilling, Cloudflare, Workday, more trusted Longchain product to engineer reliability. Longsmith, a platform that helps AI team use live production data for continuous system. Observability, see exactly how your agent thinks and with detailed tracing aggregated traits. Evaluation, test and score agent behavior on production data or offline data set to continuous improve performance. Prompt engineering, iterate on prompt with version control, prompt optimization, and collaborating fusion. Deployment, ship your agent in click using scalable infrastructure building long-term fleet. Long rank speed split create helpful AI agent without code. Start from template, connect your account and let agent handle routine while work while you stay in control. Open source agent framework, deep agent Python, Python, LangGraph Python. Get started. Build your own agent, first agent with LangChain. Let's do this. Quick start. The quick start takes you from simple setup, fully functional requirement. For 3 exam, install LangChain package, set up cloud, Anthropic, second, get API, set up Anthropic API environment variable in your terminal. And throughout this example, use cloud, can use any supported model or changing model. Supported model, okay. So popular provider, OpenAI provides Google Vertex AI, Anthropic Cloud AI. It's not good, yeah. I have to put somewhere this, okay, that's instead of just we go one day all the provider, okay. I think many are there. I never heard these names. OpenAI, Cloud Vertex, Authority, Cloud, AWS, Olama, Grok, MongoDB, Databricks, Coma, Olympus, NVIDIA, Innocon, PostgreSQL, Vistara AI, Cohere, Pinecone, Little LM, XAI, DeepSeek, Azure AI, Quadrant, Tabula, Milwares, IBM, Firefox, Elasticsearch, Datastack, Complexity, Radius, OpenRouter, Together, MCP2, Google Complexity, Navies, Instructure, Neo4j, Sambona, GraphRag. See all providers, search and providers in search field. Observe, Spin, AGI tool, Agentic E1, AI network, Ulching, Ulti, Airbyte, Epic Alpha, Alibaba Cloud, System, Analytic, TP, Future Browser, Annoy, Authority, any item, any skill, Apache Loris, Apache, RPPy, Apple, Arango BP, RC, AXGI, Argila, Arcita, Arthur Tracking, Ascent, Mask News, Assembly AI, Assistant UI, AstroDB, AWS, Agile Eric, Azure AI, Y, Bagel, Bagel DB, Batchon, Baidu, Banana Dave, Bastin, Beam, Beautiful Soap, Beatex, Bibil, Bidonor, Blackboard, Google Data Frame, Depend AI, Box, Research, Paybos, Bright Data, Browserless, ByteDance, Cambo AI, Airbase, oh my god, too many are there. This list we are treated than too much time to them. Last we also ping this also. Okay. Either I will put on link or will come again here and provider out there. Let's go on the pollution again. Okay, changing chain log. Content. So Langchain, Langsmith, Langchain. It's a very big terms. Okay. We come back again. Okay. Just go right now. We'll go through history of it and then let's see what it is. Lang graph. There are a lot of things are there we need to learn, but right now I think we just learn go through history and then this. I'm sure this also begin. Oh my God! This is 2022. It became Langchain was created October 1, 2022. Irish by let's go of field history first. LLM apps were massive prompt API. LangChain was changed step by step. Tools integration scaling from that UI grew evolution. Good issue with the LangChain. Linear chain are to build of birth of land graph 2024. Step state node edge. Why graph chain was needed. Stateful testing node in a workflow. The major milestone they are running. Yes, fund not directly from banking. However, banking itself launching not separate money. Its product framework inside of LangChain. So LangGraph does not trace from LangChain, traces funding with LangGraph. Oh my God, 125 million. That first one is this one only. There are only 18 million Kriveya. Right now, Microsoft, this company have too much funding. Microsoft doing too much funding. This is 125 million. Bro, 10x of cloud, 10x of Kriveya. No, 10x. Because Landgraph is language flow logic state imply working together parallel. Okay, they are in collaboration. Language assembly. Okay. This different purpose. Three purpose single team agent together. How system run the state as state. Okay, got it. Let's go and search about this here. Learn some case skill. Ori Sanchez. Oh, both have 46K followers. Interpret 26. San Francisco, they have campaigns. It's following. I don't know this. We started 3 years ago. Performance here. Oh my god, studying in Harvard University. And you have less experience also than that Kriya guy. You can see 2 year in machine learning engineer, robust intelligent, co-founder and CEO of LangChain. Good yaar. This person did something with 5 year experience. He just started LangChain company and then did something good. Yeah. Orison Chese, big one. Sport. Oh my god. He has skill of sport analysis, statistic, data scientist, Python, programming. Oh, one of the person is only machine learning, sport English, statistic, data scientist, Python, programming language. That's it. Nothing more big. This is the person, but no big hive, no this, this small thing. Good yaar. Leela to episode. Big honors from websites. Okay, you can see post results. Police and riches. Let's go and YouTube channel. It's better. Okay, it's actually good. It's too good. Only follow SNS with this color only the good. Yeah. Now this one will go. Today we learn only. So this is what I learned from this company LangChain. So founder who started working as a machine learning engineer, two companies, had a 5 year experience, started a company of LangChain. Today raised 120 million plus fundraising seed 3. So this is how the scale of AI. This is the power of AI. So I was not shocked, but 120 million. That's how much. 1,000 crore rupees. That's about in Indian rupees. Good, eh? So this is what power of AI. People are raising this much crazy amount and we never imagine this. But yeah, So we are going to study another company about. We want to research about another company, which is the Open. Open is already there. No? Open AI's FAM. This is the framework we are going to study right now. This is also open like it open source in the it's built on you can see a lot of Python code in here. It's built on Python language. 2 year old started maybe. I see it's a good like that. Diagram cheap code diagram. It's like it's a razor on to t-shirt. T-shirt and so return rate. Let's go. It's also opening and starting. I'm getting this GitHub is fine. Swans. Let's watch video. I don't know much. It's just spam, but actually is a point. Hey babes, understood how this worked, but yeah, we know another competitive so we started in 2024, experimental open source. Secure advice firm was created, break into task multiplication. Each agent has a role to responsibility and of so Google indicate also that push into agent based similar work open okay, good. One. Nice. Sound, open, yeah. And let's simple which funded in 2015 OpenAI funded by December, San Venture, Elon Musk, okay. 1 billion players on early research phase, rating, focus on more business and research, and robot, OpenAI, big, big ship captured profit, OpenAI, better OpenAI, AI, LP, only AI need a massive money billion or profit model could not say. Partnership started with Microsoft investment 1 billion to 10 billion. Chat GPT era began, GPT-1, GPT-2, GPT-3. Chat explosion, GPT launched in November 2022. On Friday, fastest growing question. So you got this in everything here in this mainstream, rapid growth, GPT-4 release, and leadership drama was fired, then re-hired within case. Who works? Why? He's hired. Because was not because of one simple mistake, it was power pressure. OpenAI board suddenly fired Stanford and officialism. You know, consistent candidate must communication with board. Okay. Safety versus speed only could be Sam Martin said move fast, scale product. Okay, no problem. Very non-profit group and everything, but economy was billion. Problem Sam was pushing commercial growth board. Recent trip, trust breakdown, Layla initially felt they will okay. What happened next? Employee revolt, 700 plus needed to quit Microsoft backers and within 5 days Sam Hilton came back as a CEO. It's mostly replaced. Okay, 100. Yes, OpenAI today is still 11 year of effort. Yes, but overwhelming it 11 but scaling 11 is the real story OpenAI is timeline phase 1 silent research breakthrough chartable explore phase 3. Yes, push both. That's good. Okay, fine. So, so this was the video, first research topic video of mine. So it was fantastic for me. I learned a lot of things. What is into AI, the four dominant player. So this is the real learning. So Crib AI, LangChain, Swag, Microsoft Ubuntu. These are the game changer. So Crib AI, Hydrogen, LangGraph, OpenSpark. So these are the flat framework we learned today. So we'll come back whenever we want to learn something new. Thank you so much. It was good. So thank you. Good research.